So let's go ahead and I'll do A and B with you. Part A, it says log base 10 of 6. So I can go ahead and rewrite this. Because we are trying to get to 2 and 3, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this guy as log base 10 of 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So that is completely fine. All right, we see that the multiplication, so I'm going to rewrite them as 2 different logs with the addition. And then since log base 10 of 2 is equal to A, this becomes A. Log base 10 of 3 is equal to B. This expression is A plus B. Right, very similarly with part B, it says log base 10 of 8, right? If I'm thinking of terms of 2 and 3, I know that 2 cubed is equal to 8, so I could say log base 10 of 2 cubed. Right, I can go ahead and bring that 3 on over, so this becomes 3 log base 10 of 2. Log base 10 of 2 is equal to little a, so this is just 3 times a, 3a. Okay. You could have also done this one as log base 10 of 2 plus 2, 2 times 2 times 2, and then you could have used the addition and say like log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10, 2 plus log base 10 of 2, a plus a plus a. That would also give you that 3a. So there are multiple ways to find these guys over here. Okay, go ahead and do example C on your own. And then we have what is called the change of base formula. So there is a way to do this in the calculator, but also there's a way to find this out just using the smart brain of ours. Okay, so what happens is that if I have log base a of x, right, I can go ahead and change the base of the formula, where instead of having log base a, I'm changing it to log base b. Right, we see, okay, now it becomes log base b, log base b. The x goes on top, the original base goes on the bottom. And this is basically what's called the change of base formula. Okay, so let's go ahead. I will do a couple examples. I'll do example 5, and then I'll work with example 8. Okay, so example 5, it says express the quantity of log base 2 of 5 in terms of log base 10. So we want to get to log base 10, so I'm going to go and say log base 10 all over log base 10. And what happens is the 5 goes on top, so I have log base 10 of 5 on top, and then the 2 goes on the bottom. So then I have log base 10 of 2. And that's it. That's your answer. Okay? Alright, example 8. This one's a tough one, but it is a fun one. It says simplify to 1 log with the coefficient, where we have log base c of the quantity xy squared plus log base 1 over c times with the quantity of x cubed y. Okay. So we want to go ahead and make it easier for yourselves. We want to get it to 1 coefficient. One of the logs is already to log base c. So let's go ahead and change everything to log base c. So the first one stays the same. This becomes log base c xy quantity squared. Right? It's the second logarithm that we have to go in and change. So I'm going to go ahead and use the change of base formula. Right? I know I want to get log base c both on the top and the bottom. Okay. The top is log base c x cubed y, and the bottom is log base c with 1 over c. Okay. If I am looking at this one, like at this point, I'm not sure exactly what to do. There's an addition right here. But we could go ahead and look at one of the logs. I'm going to go ahead and look at the bottom log. We have log base c of 1 over c. If I was evaluating this on the side, this guy is thinking into terms of if I have c to a power and I get 1 over c, what is my exponent? what is that c equals to? The x is equal to negative 1, right? I know if I have c to the negative 1 power, that gives me 1 over c, right? So your bottom actually equals to negative 1. So I can rewrite this as log base c xy quantity squared minus log base c x cubed y. And now we have something that we can go ahead and work with, right? This all just becomes negative 1 on the bottom. Right, and then the positive becomes the negative over here, right? All right, so now this is something that I can work with. I have a subtraction, so that means I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it into 1 log, where I have xy squared on top all over x cubed y. Right, and we know from our exponents I have to go and distribute that squared on out. I have log base c of x squared y squared all over x cubed y, and again this is just simplifying with my exponents. Looks like there's a log base c, there's a y on top, and then an x on the bottom, and this is your answer. Perfect.